going to talk about 10 key tips and tricks for successful portfolio management. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, these strategies will help you optimize your investment and get the most out of your portfolio. So let's get started. First off, we have diversification. Diversification is the key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket by investing in just one stock or asset class. Spread your investment across different sectors and asset classes to minimize your risk. Secondly, we have keep a long-term perspective. Don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations and try to time the market. Instead, focus on building a portfolio that will grow over time. Thirdly, we have do your research before investing in any stock or asset. Make sure you understand the company's financials, management team, and growth potential. Fourthly, we have invest in what you know. Stick to sectors and industries that you understand and have knowledge about. Fifthly, we have don't be afraid to take calculated risks. High risk investments can offer higher return, but make sure you understand the risk before investing. Sixthly, we have keep an eye on fees. I repeat, keep an eye on fees. High fees can eat away at your returns over time. So make sure you are investing in low cost index funds or ETFs. Seventhly, we have stay disciplined. Stick to your investment plan and avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Eighthly, we have rebalance your portfolio regularly. I repeat, rebalance your portfolio regularly. Rebalancing helps you maintain your desired asset allocation and minimize risk. Ninthly, we have consider dollar cost averaging. It means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals can help you avoid buying at the wrong time and minimize risk. Last but not the least, seek professional advice if needed. If you are unsure about how to manage your portfolio or need help with financial planning, seek advice from a professional financial advisor, or you can mention me in the comment box your problems. I'll surely try to resolve it very soon. So there you have it, guys. 10 key tips and tricks for successful portfolio management. What are these? Let's remember. Diversification, keep a long-term perspective, do your research before investment, take calculated risk, watch out for your fees, stay disciplined, rebalance regularly, consider dollar cost averaging, and seek professional advice if needed. So let's see you in the next video. I hope you found this very helpful. So give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe my channel for further videos. See you in the next video. Till then, happy investing. Let's bye.